Wadau vipi, natumai mpo salama na wakaribisha ndani ya The FM Show KE. And as of right now, tunaangazia moja kati ya story ambazo zinagonga vyombo vya habari haswa kuhusiana na mwimbaji wa nyimbo za Mugithi, the late legendary John Demathew, after news came out zikimuimplicate kwamba yeye ndiye alikuwa mhusika mkuu katika mauaji na kifo cha Sam Kinuthia ambaye pia ni mwimbaji legendary wa nyimbo za Mugithi ambaye alipata kuiaga dunia miaka chache iliyotangulia. Remember, John Demathew pia alipata kuiaga dunia mwaka 2018. But moja kati ya waimbaji wa kongwe katika nyimbo za Mugithi ambaye ni Kigia has come out guns blazing defending Demathew as Kigia tells people nyinyi watu mnapaswa mtulie na muache the legend to rest in peace. Anasema let John Demathew rest in peace. Kigia defends John after he was accused of bewitching Sam Kinuthia. Some few days ago there was a story which was going viral on TikTok about the mysterious death of the late Sam Kinuthia, who is believed that he was bewitched by one of the famous Kikuyu secular artists. Kinuthia's close friends alleges that it was Demathew who gave Sam Kinuthia roasted meat, which is believed to be to have some witchcraft in it. Even what walikuwa kidai. They said that after Kinuthia ate this meat, he never tasted food again till his death. He used to drink illicit brews from morning to evening up to his death. According to his friends, they said that his beef with John was because Kinuthia was producing hit songs which overshadowed John's songs. Lakini itigaide muria no Kinuthia ri ukirora wini wa John Demathew na wini wa Sam Kinuthia ni wini very different, tondu o mundu ni ari na muinire wake na mundu ni ari na design yake. O mundu uyu turaria ri ndwimbo cia Sam Kinuthia ni ndwimbo cia sama muno gicithikiriria, na ndwimbo cia John Demathew the legend no ndwimbo cia shama na cia design yake uria Demathew ahuraga ndwimbo ciake. Riu tutikiuga haha ri mundu ni akigia wiru tondu mundu ungi ni aina na overshadow uria ndwimbo cia mundu uria ungi irathikiririo, tondu andu aya mainaga andu aya othe riri ni mainaga ndwimbo cia kiria cia muthugutho cia Mugithi na mainaga benga music, lakini o mundu ni ari na taste yake na design yake na tune yake uri areha ndwimbo ciake. Na Sam Kinuthia ambiririe kuina tene muno mbere ya John Demathew, na Demathew no tuge ni mwana wa Sam Kinuthia tugiuka wini-ini, tondu ukirora ndwimbo cia John Demathew ukicompare ndwimbo cia John Demathew na cia Sam Kinuthia ri ugakorwo hititie muno, tondu no tuge Sam Kinuthia ni amwe ya andu aria John Demathew aroraga mbere ya hakinye hau akinyire wini-ini wake, tondu John Demathew akina ri ni aheanaga mataro muno. Na tuge atiriri ona ndwimbo cia John Demathew most of the hit songs iria amekite ri ciari ndwimbo cia mataro, ona agikorwo ni inite ndwimbo cia wendo ri kwi ndwimbo ciake muno ciari cia mataro na cioteti muno. Na Sam Kinuthia ndainaga ndwimbo cioteti. Sam Kinuthia indaga ndwimbo cia wendo na ndwimbo cia mataro, na mataro make mari ma ugikuyu, unduire witu ta Gikuyu. Nituiguithania na andu aria manyitiriire John Demathew kiriwini ri no tuge ni muini ta wa Mumbe. No wa Mumbe ni muini thaici mutemwigaguo muno, lakini wa Mumbe ni muini uriho na ni muini legendary. Andu angi aria manyitire mundu ta Demathew ri ni mundu ta Kamaru, mundu ta DK, John Disho. Ona ungikorwo aya ri ni manyitiriire Demathew ri ona ori no manyitagira Sam Kinuthia, tondu Sam Kinuthia ni legend. Uririkane Kinuthia ri ni mainaga na akina Ruhuiti wa Njeri enzi zile za kitambo sana. Nikiendelea, Peter Kigia says he said that from the day Sam Kinuthia died in the year 2003, it is about 21 years ago, and nobody has ever talked about this story when John Demathew was alive. Then why are they bringing up this story when he's dead? He asked those who are propagating this story why they didn't fight John when he was alive and ask him this story. Let John Demathew rest in peace without tarnishing his name when he is already dead. Icio nĩ ciugo cia mũini wĩ gatũ mũno gĩcigo-inĩ gitũ kĩa Mount Kenya, legendary Peter Kigia nake, na arauga andũ nĩ matige kũhaka rĩĩtwa rĩa John Demathew ndoro na mareke andũ aya othe rĩrĩ mahũrũke in peace, makome thayũ, tondũ Ngai nĩwe ũtũtuagĩra cira rĩ, ithuothe twarĩkia gũkua rĩ, andũ aya nĩ makuire, rekei Ngai ũrĩa ũtũtugagĩra cira rĩ, hatuĩre Sam na hatuĩre Demathew kũu marĩ. That's it for now. Ndamũririkania mũthiĩ na mbere gũsubscribe thĩinĩ wa channel itũ ya FM Show KE. Tũcemanie kĩrĩ video citũ icio ingĩ.